have the current stock market update for Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Incorporated, stock ticker FFIE. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comments section below so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is the 1 hour price chart. And this means that each candle on this time frame represents a 1 hour trading period. And I have to be honest, totally honest up front, when I make a decision to do these videos on FFIE, I'm a little nervous to even open the chart, to even type in FFIE as the stock ticker, because every single time it's like I'm actually worried that I'm going to be right in my prior analysis, and that the stock will just have continued to move lower to these lower new lows and lower levels. So, it's almost a situation where you don't want to be right, just because you know that there are so many people that are just on the wrong side of this trade. But as we can see here, this stock has just done nothing but continue to move lower. I mean, there is nothing here that resembles anything positive or an uptrend in any way. I mean, you could possibly point to small price movements like this here. So I just thought that there are some people in the comment section that do sort of point out that sometimes there are movements higher and sometimes there are spikes, and I'm waiting for a pump into 50 and then I'll get out or something like that. And I just thought that first we would take a look at one of these instances where the stock might be, you might be able to make the argument that the stock is moving higher. So if we just simply go back to this example right here, so let's look at this price low. This price low came in at this would be $1.81. Okay, so that's the price low. Okay, so now if we're looking for the upside movement here, the stock sort of rallies into $2.09. Wow, this is starting to get depressing already here. So, obviously this is not very much of a price movement. Okay, and when the broader trend here continues to move in the downside direction like that, it's very difficult for me to believe that anybody is actually buying in at this 181 low and then selling the stock at $2.09, which wouldn't be a huge gain anyway. I mean, this is not a monstrous gain anyway. And then for anybody to make me, to try to make me believe that anybody is really calling the bottom like this, the dead bottom, and then getting out at the exact top as well, there is no chance you're making me believe that. It's much more likely that you got in at much higher levels, and that the stock just continues to grind against you to the downside. So, this is one of the reasons I've been focusing on this stock. There were just a lot of people on this platform that have no idea what they're doing. They don't know how to conduct proper stock valuation. They don't know how to find stocks that are likely to perform well. And then they just sort of jump on this internet social media bandwagon where it's like, well, someone else made this video and it got a lot of clicks, so I'm going to make a video on that too. And it's only $2 per share. Maybe I'll even buy a couple. And then if I make enough videos, maybe at some point the stock will start to move higher because it's getting attention or something like that. But none of those ideas make any sense at all or matter at all if the share price doesn't behave and doesn't do what you want it to do. I mean, as we can see here, the stock has just been nothing but downside. Okay, and if you buy in at any of these levels, you're just getting crushed constantly. You see small price movements here, but a lot of these upside price movements are based on, shareholder dilution events, where there's a stock split of some type, and it's really just designed to keep the stock from looking terrible, to keep the stock from looking bad. It's like painting your house or something, and then the inside of the house is all, broken down and, unlivable or something like that. But it's like, oh, but it's got a nice coat of paint on it. That's what a stock split is. It's really just meant to sort of hide, the problems from the investing public and make people think that, things really aren't as bad as they seem. If this stock was trading at 20 cents per share, I think people would know something is wrong. But if you do a reverse stock split, now suddenly it's $2 per share or $11 per share. It suddenly doesn't look so bad. When there is nothing in the underlying, operations of the company, there's nothing in the financial picture that has changed in the positive direction. Absolutely nothing, like literally nothing. Nothing changes. So it's just a different number of outstanding shares. So, these are not positive events. And people start to say things like, well, yeah, but there's going to be a stock split soon. Who cares? Makes no difference. The trend is down and it's going to continue to be down. This stock really does look like it's going to zero. So I do recommend that people that are in these positions, I do recommend, if you see any sort of bounce here, and I don't think you're going to have many opportunities here going forward. I mean, I've been saying the same thing with this stock every time I made a video. If you see a bounce, get out of this stock. Join the members trading room, because we have many stock trades. There are 15 active stock trades right now, where you can simply just look at the portfolio and then see a large group of incredibly well performing stocks that have a future, that have uptrends in place, a lot of growth potential, and are likely to continue moving higher. I really do recommend people at least take a look at it. I made it as cheap as I possibly could. It's $9 a month, $9.99, and YouTube takes 30% of that payment. So it's not like this is some huge, massive, undertaking. I think people are losing a lot more than $9 in these just terrible, ridiculous stock trades. So my recommendation once again here, is that you should use any sort of bounce that you see, as an opportunity to get out of the trade. Any sort of uptick, you don't necessarily need to get out on a downtick, but I really don't think that you're going to have many opportunities here to continue moving higher. I think that this stock is really probably ready for another stock split type of event. So if you do see something like that, maybe that's your time to get out. But overall, the picture here is very clear. There is no light at the end of the tunnel here. There are plenty of other stocks that people can be trading. There's no reason to be focusing on FFIE. Okay, just because a couple of people on YouTube made a video about it, what does that mean exactly? I mean, look at the history. This has nowhere. Where is the upside here? I'm just zooming out on the hourly chart here. This isn't some ridiculously long time frame. I mean, you see some evidence of spikes here, but they're incredibly short-lived, and most people aren't getting out in time. Even in an event like this, I mean, a lot of people are going to probably point to this and they'll say, well, what about that spike there? Well, look how long it lasted. May 15th to May 17th. Okay, so the stock starts to jump. It takes less than 2 days, and then by, let's see, where's the major movement lower here? May 22nd. We're already starting to see the vast majority of that. You've already lost 75% of those gains here. From May 17th to roughly May 22nd. So, you're really talking about less than 4 days here, and the stock has already lost again 75% of its value roughly. We could look at a quick. So here's the current stock market update for Faraday Future, stock ticker FFIE. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.